Here I have BLACKVIEW A20 and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Then let's open the list of all apps. So right here let's find and choose settings. Then you need to scroll down and select here the system. From the list of system, let's choose reset options. Right now let's select reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. So this will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. If you are aware of this, let's tap reset settings and let's confirm this operation by tapping reset settings again. That's it, the device is resetting network settings. As you can see, network settings have been reset successfully, so now you may simply go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.